Hey, today, folks, we got a little improv in the kitchen going on. We're going to do taco triangles. And I have leftover tortilla shells, some leftover ground beef from other recipes, and I'm going to throw a little bit of cooking business together, and we're going to make some taco triangles. I'm telling you, your family will love them. And if you've got leftovers like I do, let's get into it. We're going to start our taco triangles by browning our ground beef, and then we're going to add our taco seasoning to the ground beef here, and then we're going to let that simmer and cook off. And then we're going to take our flour tortillas. I like the larger tortilla, and you're going to see I'm going to cut a slit right to the center of each tortilla. So one slit right to the center, and you're going to use about 5 to 6 tortillas per a pound of ground beef. Now I'm going to take each tortilla and I'm going to take the taco mix, and I'm going to place the taco mix only on 3/4 of the tortilla. So you can see as I'm doing that here, I'm just spooning it on. Now you can put it on lighter or a little bit heavier. Don't go too heavy because we are going to fold this tortilla. So you can see that there's one part where I started the fold that did not have any meat on it. So if you need to, you can reverse the video there. I'm going to add the cheese on that last fold. I'm going to fold the final triangle. Then I'm going to melt it with, or I'm going to brush it with some melted butter on top. And I've got a warm frying pan full of butter that I'm going to place that triangle taco right there in the pan. So in my pan, I can fit 4. And we're going to let those cook about 3 minutes to 4 minutes on each side until they brown up. They're looking really good here, and these are so delicious. This is such a great recipe when you have leftover ground beef or any taco mixes and you need to use it up. So now I'm going to pop up a screen or a recipe card so you can take a screenshot of the recipe here for the taco triangles. And if you want to cook more with me and enjoy it just as much as I enjoy being with you, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, I would so appreciate that. Now let's dive into these taco triangles and give them a good taste. Okay, here is the end result, or kind of the end result of our taco triangle, and I am going to dress it up now with a little bit of sour cream. I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce here to the side. And then I'm going to garnish with a little bit of tomatoes on the side too. Now this was just all made from leftovers. I had some tomatoes, lettuce, the ground round or the ground hamburger, and then the taco shells. So this was just kind of had leftover ingredients in the house, threw this together, and isn't she cute, right? It's going to be delicious as well. And listen, you could layer this however you wanted to. If you wanted some black beans in there, I'm going to put some taco sauce over the top. And now we're going to bite into this one. But isn't that great? Look at that. I mean, that's a taco triangle made with just your leftover stuff in the house. Little improv cooking today in the kitchen. How great is that, right? Ooh, I'm about ready to sing. How great is that, right? All right, so now we're going to give it a good old taste drive. Taste test drive. Taste it. All right. Okay, so now let's taste it. I'm going to pick it up, even though I could cut it with a fork, but I'm going to just pick it up and eat it. It's a 10 out of 10. That tortilla's got a nice buttery crunch to it. Taco meat in there, the cheese, the sour cream, the sauce, everything. I'm in heaven. This is delicious. I mean, you got to try this. I can't wait for you to try it. You're going to be coming back for more. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.